Hello everybody, this is Miss Tamara from the Rutherford County Library. I'm here with Kenneth today and we are excited to show you our next summer reading project. We're going to show you how to turn this toothbrush into a fun robot creature friend like this. We hope you enjoy. You ready to get started?
I'm ready. Let's do it. Come on. Okay, so if you have picked up your BrushBot kit at one of the libraries, what you should have gotten in the kit is a toothbrush head that's already been pre-cut for you, a pager motor, which is the small black and silver disc, battery, which you can easily identify because of its yellow jacket, a couple of small googly eyes for decoration, and a strip of wax paper that will have a glue dot on it. These are really easy to use and make this project go together really quickly. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how to assemble this. This is very quick. All you do is you start by taking your glue dot and the top of your brush head on the flat part here, and I'm just going to press the glue dot to the top of the toothbrush head, like so. And if I can get it to stick, I'm just going to peel the wax paper off, like so. And then I'm going to take my battery, and either side, hopefully both sides, will be nice and flat. One might be a little flatter than the other. You can kind of, I don't know if you can tell from the video, this has some bumps on one side of it. It's pretty flat on the other. So I'm going to take the flatter side of the battery. And it doesn't matter how I position the wires. If you have some problems with the BrushBot kind of tipping over and not standing up after you've got everything adhered, you can pull all this off and maybe re-stick it and find your balance point. But I'm just going to stick it on here like so, apply a little pressure, and that should adhere the battery to the top of the toothbrush. Now we have pre-stripped the battery and the pager motor wires for you, so that'll make it a little bit easier for you to assemble. So what I'm going to do next is take the pager motor, and if you'll notice on one side of the pager motor there's a white strip of paper, and that's because this has a self-adhesive back. So all you have to do is peel that little piece of paper off, and then I usually point the wires in the same direction as the battery wires and stick the pager motor to the top of the battery, like so. Now, at this point, you can test it. If you want to go ahead and stick your googly eyes on there, you can. You can also decorate it. I've seen people take little small strips of pipe cleaners and give them like a little antenna, or maybe some strands of yarn for hair, decorate however you want. But in order to activate this, you just take the two pager motor wires and twist together with the battery wires, one each. You don't have to worry about which color goes to which color. It will work either way, any way. So I'm just going to take two of the wires and twist the exposed ends together, like so. And then I'm going to take my other two, and as soon as the wires go together, you should start to feel it vibrate. I must not have them stripped thoroughly enough. Yeah, there we go. I can feel it now. So you may have to kind of run your thumbnail or your fingernail across the wires to get the last of that plastic stripping off if it's not doing anything. I can feel them moving a little bit, but I bet I'm going to have to strip the other two wires just a little bit more, just so I get some good contact. all assembled, he should dance around. Just like that. And of course, to turn him off, all you have to do is just separate one pair of the wires, and that will turn him off and help preserve your battery. So, like I said, decorate him. Feel free to share any pictures or videos to the library's Facebook page that you take of your monster. Show us what you create. Love to see it. If you guys have any questions, you can also put them in the comments to the video below. Or, of course, you can always reach out to us, and we'll be glad to help in any way we can. But we hope you enjoy the project.